police is just shutting down an NBC USA convention after we have paid over $92,000. And they are shutting us down in the middle of the event. We are being shut down in the middle of the event. You can see them. After paying $92,000, we are being shut down in the middle of the event. This is absolutely not right. This is absolutely not right. We are being shut down in the middle of an event. You can see everybody. We are being shut down in the middle of an event after paying over $92,000.
Oh, yes, ready. Oh, yes, ready. Nonsense. From happy. You know my time. Do it, church. Come to me. Do it. Don't say anything. Don't do it. Listen. Cancel your reservation. Do a charge back. Yes. Don't pay. How we do that?
This is absolutely not right. This is not right. It's not. This is not right. We are being shut down in the middle of an event. It's absolutely not right. This is not right. This is not right. This is the manager, and he's shutting us down in the middle of an event. This is not right. NBC people are being shut down, and they are asking us to leave the hotel. They are asking us to leave the hotel. So after serving their food, they make sure they serve their food.
This is a strategy the hotel used to collect our money first and come. They collected their money and spoiled our game. This is what they did.
Discrimination. This is discrimination.
After when we have
This is discrimination. We are being asked to leave the hall.
yeah.
The association of NBC USA.
Can you leave your house?
They're asking us to leave. Shutting us down after we have paid over
Discrimination. So then, if we don't have lawyers, this is the time to
We have rights too.
Look at them. They are shutting us down. We are being shut down. We are being asked to leave the hall.
There's not a number of people.
This is absolutely not right. They are asking us to leave, and we are leaving. We are leaving the hall.
How many people are they going to arrest? Let them arrest all of us.
No, don't stop. Let's go.